at the theater. I've showed this before, but I want to show it again. It's not been used since I've been here in September here. Usually during the low season, which is usually between May to end of September, they don't use this theater. Occupancy here is probably 15% at best, or maybe even less. Since I've been here, it's gone up to about 15, possibly even as high as 20, but no more than 20. In fact, I don't even think it's 20. At this point, it's probably gone up to about 15%. But I wanted to show you this, guys, again, because this is not the first time I showed you this. But I just wanted to kind of show it again. You know, I know it's kind of repetitive, but it's also different because it's in a different way than I've showed before. I'm also kind of giving you information that we have a lower rate right now for people here. So just wanted to let you know that. So I'll keep it at that. Ciao for now.